Hey there, bathroom makeover enthusiasts. Are you tired of your bathroom looking, well, kinda blah? Guess what? You don't need to blow your savings on a total renovation to get that high-end, spa-like vibe. In today's video, I'm sharing some very cool budget-friendly changes that will instantly elevate your bathroom and make it look like it belongs in a fancy hotel. If you have dark, overly decorative, or heavily patterned shower curtains, it's time for a change. Swap them out for simple, neutral-colored shower curtains made from cotton or linen. These natural fabrics add warmth and create a bathroom atmosphere that feels inviting, organic, and calming. Is your current bath mat one of those funky, overly colorful ones? It's time to say goodbye. Go for something plush and neutral, like a classic white, beige, or a subtle textured pattern. If your bathroom walls are dark or in dated colors like taupe, consider refreshing them with a new look. While white is a classic choice, you don't have to limit yourself. Explore beautiful wall treatments like moldings, wallpapers, or even a combination of both. We all know that builder-grade features can be underwhelming, right? Fortunately, there are several easy upgrades you can make in a bathroom to elevate its look and feel. Mirrors, light fixtures, cabinet colors, and hardware are all prime candidates for an upgrade. If your bathroom lacks that refined, designer feel, your wall decor might be to blame. Three-piece art sets, art hung in staggered steps, or other busy wall decor all bring down the aesthetic of a bathroom. Have a minimalist approach and opt for a small art frame or a vintage art print. This allows the space to feel more cohesive, calm, and sophisticated. Adding greenery in a bathroom goes a long way in elevating the look. Place stems in a vase on the countertop, a small plant on the toilet tank, or shelves above it. You could even hang eucalyptus stems over the shower for a spa-like touch. Prioritize decluttering your bathroom and using chic organizers to store your essentials. Remember, organization and home decor are two sides of the same coin. Rejar your store-bought products. Swap those mismatched bottles for chic amber glass or ceramic dispensers. It's an easy way to declutter and give your bathroom a polished, high-end look. Similar to choosing shower curtains and bath mats, it's best to select bath linen such as bath towels, hand towels, and face towels in simple patterns and neutral colors. This brings cohesiveness and the elegance to your bathroom. If you have enough area in your bathroom, place a runner rug. The shape and style of a runner rug can significantly enhance the room's aesthetic appeal. Want 10 more budget-friendly ideas? Head over to the blog post mentioned in the description box below and be sure to check out my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips.